Stop using boring ringtones like this.
Kiss it, kiss it, kiss it, kiss it.
Do this instead.
Hey.
Let me show you how to use TikTok sounds as your iPhone's ringtone. Open TikTok, then go to the search bar and search ringtones. Click on anyone you want. Click on share, copy the link, go to savefbs.com, paste the link, click on download, click on download MP3, go to downloads, click on the audio you just downloaded, click on share, click on set as a ringtone, and that's it. And now whenever you receive a call, you will have a cool ringtone like this.
They be like smooth.